such a great moment now that we've got for businesses, for leaders to really expand their view of the human beings that they work with. Crisis has really provided an opportunity for businesses on a grand scale, like something we have never imagined before, to implement flexible working, to really think about and put mental health and wellbeing policies and programs on the map. Agility, innovation, creativity is what we need now. And who brings that? Inclusive teams. We created a group called Clue, which is a play on our Celebrate Life Every Day value, which is celebrate life every way. And it's underpinned by the philosophy that everybody is unique, special and welcome. The next generation, as they enter the workforce, they're looking for authenticity around this, and they are crystal clear about being part of an organisation that is purpose-led, inclusive and innovative.